Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto Cab, where we make crypto easy for everyone. In today's quick video, I want to show you how you can claim your Wonderland airdrop of the BSGG token that was given to everyone that L-Time or wrapped memo back in January from the snapshot. So you need to go to your wallet initially and log into the Wonderland.money app. Once you're on the app, you will see a banner. This will include this message. If you click the link on the message, I'll just show you a close-up here. It says you are eligible for the BSGG airdrop. To claim your tokens, please click here. So click that. That will take you to a smart contract that you will need to approve. Once you approve the contract with a small fee, the BSGG will then be available in your wallet. The next steps for you then is to add BSGG to your wallet. The BSGG is on Avalanche, and you can copy the custom token address. It's found there on the link on the presentation, but I also include links in the description below. You can also find these links on Snowtrace and on CoinGecko, which gives you the initial link. So this is the screenshot for the Snowtrace contract address at the bottom there for BSGG. There's a list of useful sites that you need for this process, guys. You need app.wonderland money, Snowtrace, and CoinGecko for the BSGG information. There's a link to the Crypto Cab socials underneath. You can see the YouTube channel, our website, where we do have a PDF version of this. If you do like to see this, I'll also include this in the links below. Finally, this is a snapshot of my Trust wallet. This was the received the BSGG $17 worth of the BSGG token, which was received today. So I hope you got it, guys. Please feel free to leave comments below. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these quick reference videos helping you through step-by-step guides. Hit that notification bell so you do not miss any of these latest updates. Please feel free also to share to your friends, and let's push this channel and improve everyone's knowledge, making crypto easy for everyone. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.